Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be boosting the collagen production in the skin. Now, how do we boost the collagen production? We use ingredients such as vitamin A, and vitamin A, a form of a retinol that is going to work on those connective tissues and plump that skin up and have your skin looking younger in no time. However, guys, this wonderful, amazing facial mask is gonna lift that skin and you're gonna look like you just walk out of that salon looking amazing. Now guys, bear in mind, this is not permanent, it is temporary, but here it comes. If you do this on a regular, you will be walking around looking amazing. Use it on your skin, share it with others, or keep it a secret. You know sometimes we don't like people to know what we're doing looking this good. However, just do what you need to do, but give it a try. And if you want to know what this is all about, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip it up. I will also show you how to use it for best result. Now for this recipe, you're going to need a blender and you're also going to need a grater. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have an egg, and today we're going to be using egg for tightening and firming the skin. Now, egg help to improve skin texture, whether it be dry skin or oily skin. The yolk is rich in fatty acid, which can lead moisture to the skin, while the egg white contain albumin, a simple form of protein that help to tighten pores and also help to remove excess oil from the skin. Now, egg also help to boost that collagen production. It tightens firm sagging skin, and if you are looking for a temporary tightening and firmness to the skin, the egg will do the job for you. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare the egg white. So now I'm going to extract the egg yolk from the egg white, and there are many ways of doing this. However, I like to just use my knife, crack the egg like this, and just turn it upside down like this, and there you have the egg white. Now if you want to get more from it, you just pour it back in, and we get as much as we possibly can. And now we are going to put the yolk in a bowl, and here you have the egg white and here you have the egg yolk. Now I'm going to be using the egg white for this recipe. So now I'm going to put the egg white to the side and I'm going to move on to the next ingredient. Now our next ingredient, which is lemon, it provides a dose of free radical fighting antioxidant, which is vitamin C, which helps to keep your skin toned and also help to boost the immune system. Lemon can be used as a skin estrogen, as it helps motivate your pores to close and also your face to tighten, resulting in firmer skin, lifted, tone, and clear, radiant skin. Now what we're going to use from the lemon today, I'm going to use a little bit of the lemon juice, and I'm also going to use a little bit of the lemon zest. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to zest the lemon. Remember to always wash your lemon in vinegar water, so to get rid of any form of pesticide. Okay, now to zest the lemon, you're going to need a grater. Now if you don't have a grater, you could peel the lemon and blend the peel, but a grater is pretty easy, so we just rub the lemon on the grater. Make sure not to get too deep. A little of the zest goes a long way, and this amount is good. Here we have some fresh lemon zest, and next I'm going to cut the lemon, since I'm going to also be using some lemon juice. So this is about a teaspoon of lemon zest. And I'm going to go ahead, remove the seeds from the lemon. We don't want the seeds in this. And then I'm just going to squeeze about a tablespoon of lemon juice. And now we are just going to blend the lemon juice and the lemon zest. Now the reason for using the lemon zest is because it contains more vitamin C than the lemon juice itself. And we want to get the full benefit from the lemon. We want to use every single ounce of vitamin C. So you zest the lemon and you use a little bit of the juice, and there you have your natural vitamin C. Now take a look at our next ingredient, and this is aloe vera, and this is fresh aloe vera leaf. We're going to be using the aloe vera in this recipe because it helps to hydrate the skin. It also helps to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. It's going to lock the moisture in the skin while boosting the collagen production in the skin. Now you do not need a lot of this fresh aloe vera. What we're going to use is about an ounce, and I'm just going to extract the fresh aloe vera gel. If you have store-bought aloe vera gel, you can go ahead and use that. However, for this recipe, I personally like to use the fresh aloe vera gel, okay? So just extract the gel. And take a look at this. This is the aloe vera gel, and this amount is fine for what we're making. Now here I have a final ingredient, and this is raw honey. Now honey is good for anti-aging purposes since it is loaded with antioxidants that help to slow the aging process down. It also helps to boost complexion, and it is extremely moisturizing and smoothing to the skin. When you use honey on your skin, it will help to give you that natural glow on your skin. So now we are moving back to our ingredient. We have our lemon and zest, we have our egg white, we also have our honey. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my aloe vera gel, place it in the blender like I'm showing here, and next I'm going to reach for my lemon juice and lemon zest, and I'm going to pour it in the blender along with the aloe vera gel. And I'm going to reach for the honey, and I'm going to pour 1 teaspoon of the honey in the blender along with the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to cover and I'm going to blend. So here we have our blended lemon zest, honey, and aloe vera gel, and now we're going to put all of the ingredients together. So reaching back for my egg white, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of the aloe vera mixture, and I'm going to pour this in the egg white, and I'm going to whisk. Now you might be wondering why I don't place the egg white in the blender and just blend. If I do this, the egg white is going to get really frothy, and it's going to defeat the purpose. When you use it on your skin, you're not going to get that tightening effect that we are looking for. So it's best to just use a spoon or a fork and just whisk the lemon and aloe vera mix in the egg white. To get the best benefit from this facial mask, you want to wash your face thoroughly, pat dry your skin, and then apply the facial mask, preferably with a brush. Once you apply it on your skin, you're going to let it sit on your skin for at least 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, you're going to remove it, rinse off, and you are going to be blown away of the tightening effect, the lifting effect, the supple effect, the radiant glowing skin that you get from this facial mask. Now this is best used 2 to 3 times a week if you want to have that a permanent lift to your skin. So there you have it. Give it a try. Once you have this ingredients, just use it. Use it for a week and come back and leave your comment. I'm almost sure that you're going to come back and you're going to say this is amazing, because it is amazing. Now, what do you have to lose giving this a try? Absolutely nothing. What do you have to gain? Amazing looking skin. So run and make this facial mask. Now, don't be selfish. Share it. Share it with your friends or share it with your family so that everyone can look amazing. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.